Hi, welcome to Ayoub N&H, your premier rugs, carpet, and flooring service. For over 30 years, we've made it our mission to not only provide you with a variety of all-in-one cleaning and floor covering services, but to offer the easiest, most convenient experience you've ever had. Let me take you on a little tour to show you how Ayoub N&H does things better. A lot better. Our main facility and beautiful showroom is located right here in the heart of Kensington, Maryland. This is where we carry the most trusted brands of carpet, hardwood, and luxury vinyl tiles, so you're sure to find the styles you'll love. With things like special financing, you're always able to get what you want, right when you want it. Can't make it to our showroom? Not to worry. Just use our Shop at Home feature and we'll bring samples right to your door. It's that easy. At Ayoub N&H, we're well known for our rug cleaning. Our state-of-the-art rug cleaning facility is incredible. With our unique setup, your rugs will get an even, deep cleaning every time. You see, unlike others, we let our technology and soft brushes do the hard work so that our skilled technicians can focus their energy on the details that matter most. Can you imagine how tiring hand-scrubbing rugs must be? Better hope those companies don't wash your rugs last. From hassle-free in-store rug drop-off or pickup services to status updates every step of the way, it's clear to see how Ayoub N&H makes it the easy kind of clean. Let's keep going. Life can get a little messy. If you have carpet or hardwoods that need a good deep down cleaning, we'll give it the attention it deserves. Whether you have pet accidents, food stains, or just want to breathe new life into your tired carpet and floors, our truck-powered cleaning and certified technicians get the job done right, guaranteed. We'll even move the furniture so you don't have to. And we don't stop there. We have the expertise to deep clean your entire home, starting with your upholstery, leather furniture, draperies, and tile floors. But maybe your wood floors need a bit more than just a good cleaning. Well, we have that covered too. With our dustless hardwood refinishing, we can easily revive your floors without the mess that traditional sanding can cause. So there you have it. From scheduling your service to processing your order, you'll always have access to our knowledgeable and responsive staff that will help you in making your experience easy. With Ayoub N&H, you don't just get service, you get service done better.